Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress as a beginner. First, let's understand what WordPress is. It's a powerful content management system, or CMS, that powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. We'll differentiate between WordPress.com and WordPress.org, focusing on the self-hosted version for maximum control. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building your online presence effectively and efficiently. Next, we'll cover setting up your very own WordPress site. This involves choosing a reliable web hosting provider, which often includes a free domain name for your first year. Most hosts offer a simple one-click installation process, making it incredibly easy to get WordPress up and running in just a few minutes. Selecting a memorable domain name is your first step towards establishing your unique online identity. Now, let's personalize your website's look and feel. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes to instantly change your site's design. Installing a theme is straightforward, often taking less than 1 minute. Beyond aesthetics, plugins extend your site's functionality, adding features like contact forms, search engine optimization, or e-commerce capabilities. There are over 60,000 plugins available to enhance your site. Finally, we'll focus on creating compelling content and publishing your site. You'll learn to distinguish between posts for blog articles and pages for static content, like an About Us section. Using the intuitive block editor, you can easily add text, images, and videos. Once your content is ready, a simple click of the Publish button makes your website live for the world to see. Congratulations, your site is now online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.